I'm Ted Wolf, and this is ABC World News. Live right now on the scene with the officer who knows what just happened. Officer, can you tell me what just happened here?
Oh, well, I was driving down here to check out what
Hey, you're on.
happened with some other officers, and what appeared to be happening, somebody got shot by an AK shotgun. And the man was about 6'8", and then appeared to be
You're
a
on,
gun
dude.
was
You've
by
been
him,
on
so
for
I
5
don't know
minutes.
the rest.
Can you tell the man that got shot? Who's the man or woman or child?
The man's name is Phil Collins.
Can you tell what happened to Mr. Collins today? What was he doing here today?
Well, he decided to walk around, saw some guy about taller than him, that appeared to be a woman, shot him with that, and she's arrested. We found her too.
Is she in custody right now on your hands?
Yes, she is. She's in my vehicle right now.
Can you tell me what precinct or what facility you'll be taking to her?
Washington prison.
Washington prison here. How many years, months, or weeks do you think this woman will actually be behind bars?
Let's say about 36 days.
36 days. Is that a long time there? Another question here. Getting away from the shooter here. What was your response and how did you feel? Or what do you think of the accident here going on?
I was kind of pissed off, you know.
Got a mad there. Officer, what's your name, sir?
Officer Sheldon.
Officer Shelton, and were you first on the scene?
Yes, I was.
Were there any other officers with you here?
Yes, no, there's 10 out there right now.
Can you tell about 2 or 3 of their names?
Officer John, Officer Dan, and Officer Bruce.
Officer Bruce. Dan and John, correct? Okay, thank you, officer. We'll go live to see him right now with the officer and see what's going on. Is the person wounded right now?
Oh, well, I'd say yes for the dead.
You pretty sure about this death, or are they just wounded?
No, he's still alive, but looks like he's about to die.
Are you taken to the hospital right now?
He's right there.
Okay. Thank you, Officer Sheldon. You have a good day. Thank you, Officer Sheldon, for one more time. I'm currently right now on the scene with the officer who's on the scene first. Here, Officer Sheldon. We'll go see what's going on about that and see what they're going to do. The Washington police are here along with the Evansville police officers of Vanderbilt County. Here, we'll talk to them more about that and the other officers here. See what they think about the scene here, and we'll see if we can get some actual footage, or not footage, but recording of the person that shot them. This is Ted Wolf with ABC News 16. The time now is 11:35. This is Ted News signing off one more time from News 16. Thanks for watching, everybody.